Alright guys, we are with the squad. My man Will. Look him up on Will Chang on YouTube.
Nah, they already know me.
Yes, sir. Motherfucker. Motherfucker.
What?
What is that?
Oh.
God damn it!
No,
Who the fuck bought it?
I've seen it before.
Who the fuck bought it?
I've actually seen a couple of them because of Ford dealers.
Oh, that fucking old ass man. It's not a Mustang. Oh no. What is it? No, okay, he drives a Prius. Who the fuck bought it? You're not supposed to buy it. You're not supposed to buy it. You're supposed to tell Ford that they can suck balls. Stop it. Yeah, you idiot.
Watch the Mustang. You can hear the V8 from here.
The V8 power. Fucking no. Incorrect. Stop it. Stop buying it. Tell Ford to suck their balls. Oh, 3.7 gallons for $10. Goddamn fucking gas prices. You hear that? Where it went doo-doo. What is that?
I've heard. I don't know. I just went like a one time.
It did it again, earlier too. One time earlier. It's not a transmission issue, is it?
Might just be, I don't know, maybe hesitation with the gas pedal or something. I don't know.
Yeah. It's only at stop too. Look, Corolla.
Oh shit.
Looks like it's been done some stuff too.
Yeah, there's some stuff. Interesting.
Let's see.
Until we can turn on red. Oh, it's green now.
Hello, squeaky belt. I love you.
Ooh, where are we entering now, Eli?
Fucking frat row.
Hell yeah.
I think this BMW wants to fuck around.
Behind us?
Mm-hmm, he pulled up real quick. Yep, I knew it.
There we go.
He looks like that one guy that stars in movies.
Oh, him?
What is that, Megan Fox or something? Something weird like that?
Oh.
Doesn't he look like it?
Wait, did you say Megan Fox?
I don't fucking know. Whatever the fucking black guy.
Megan Fox.
I don't fucking know. I was thinking of someone else and thinking, God damn it. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Freeman, that's the fucking, there you go.
He doesn't look like it. I'd agree, he doesn't look like it. To be fair though, I couldn't remember his name either.
God damn it. I knew it started with an M.
Morgan Freeman, what you doing, bro?
Malibu wants some?
He was looking over like he wanted it.
You want?
had a few car lengths on me. Watch this. There's a cop.
Oh shit. Lord.
It just seems to be in newer cars. They're just like, whoa, holy fuck.
Okay.
I'm giving my record with minivans. I'm not gonna fucking do it. Can't
It's
really.
already done. Oh shit! Look, he's fucking cutting the lane and everything. Fucking hell.
Hurry.
Yeah.
Like,
Someone's
He's got
someone's late for soccer practice. That sound, you hear that?
Yeah,
that one?
That sounded.
That sounded completely different.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, that minivan's